Hello, I'm Jake from Streamline. I just wanted to speak to you today about our new hybrid brushes, which have recently joined the Streamline brush range. Now, we're getting a lot of questions about these brushes. You know, what makes these brushes so great? What makes them different to your ordinary window cleaning brush? And I just wanted to point out a few features on this brush. Around the outside of the brush, we have a small row of white polyester filaments, which is used for your general everyday cleaning. Then on the centre of the brush, what we have is the boar's hair bristle. Now, boar's hair has great scrubbing power. Boar's hair is often used for cleaning conservatory roofs or heavily soiled glass, but it can also be used for cleaning such sensitive surfaces, such as self-cleaning glass. The boar's hair brush is available in 10 inches or 14 inches. You can either purchase it with a German threaded adapter or an over-rate adapter. The new Streamline hybrid brush, combined with a polyester outer and a boar's hair inner, together achieves unsurpassed scrubbing power and makes for a fantastic window cleaning brush. So there we have it, another innovative product for the Streamline range. Thank you very much for watching our video, and I'll see you on the next one.